Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just doing some walls in my house, and I just saw a video of a guy doing like a weird sound with their fingers, and I thought to give it a go. So it should be like this. You put two fingers of one hand in this position, the index finger of the other hand like this. So sort of on top of this part over here. You need to press this contraption, this finger sandwich, onto your cheek, and you're supposed to flick this one, and I don't know, maybe the rush of the air going from behind this finger makes a sound. Let's give it a go. So fingers, cheek, I think you need to press it real hard and flick. Can do it. So I need to put it on a and that's just so stupid.